So this function is going to deploy a simple storage contract, but we're going to save it to a storage or state variable. And we're going to do it the exact same way we've been saving any variable. First thing, remember how we did uint256 public favorite number? This was in the format type, visibility, name. We're going to do the exact same thing. The type of a simple storage contract is going to be simple storage. And the reason that Solidity is going to be able to identify this keyword is because it's the same name as contract. In the same sense that our struct keyword allows us to create a person type, the contract keyword allows you to create a new type a type of simple storage contract. So simple storage, for now, we'll just give it a visibility of public, and we'll give it a variable name, simple storage. Now, this is going to be a syntax you're going to see a lot, and it might be a little bit confusing the first couple times you read it. The difference between these two is very subtle. The difference between simple storage on the left and simple storage on the right is very subtle. It's simply that the S is lowercase over here, and the S is capitalized over here. Solidity is case sensitive, so these are actually different words. Simple storage here is referring to the contract. Simple storage here is referring to the variable. You'll often see people use this syntax when working with contracts where they name the variable the exact same as the contract itself. If this is confusing to you, you can do my simple storage instead of simple storage with lowercase. So either one of these works. It's good to get used to this as such, but if that's confusing, you can do my simple storage. Now in our create simple storage contract function, we're going to say simple storage equals new simple storage, like this. This new keyword is how Solidity knows to deploy a contract. So with just this code alone, if we go to the compile tab, we compile this. This does indeed compile. We can go to deploy. We need to make sure we're on the storage factory.sol on the right-hand side. We'll scroll down to the contract. We can actually deploy our storage factory like so, hitting the deploy button. And remember, you can see the transaction in the terminal here. And we can scroll down to the contract. Right now, there's two buttons. We have our blue view function, simple storage, because again, the public keyword automatically gives the variable name a getter function or a view function. And of course, we have our create simple storage contract, orange button, because it is actually a transaction. Right now, simple storage returns nothing, the zero, the default value for an address, which is the 0 address. And if we call create simple storage contract, we see a green check mark, meaning that transaction went through. Now, if we call the simple storage blue view function, we see we indeed get an address here. We have deployed our simple storage contract from another contract. Oh my goodness. So congratulations. Now you know how a contract can deploy another contract. Awesome job.